How's it going, everybody? Student Trader here, and in today's look at ZOM Zomedica. You guys know I love this stock. I even took a trade on it right here at 160. I got in a bit high. I wasn't expecting a huge dip down there to 133, our first support, and I ended up selling. And I wanted, okay, listen to this. So TD was on my side. I wanted to sell at the 175. I put my order in. It did not take for some reason. Next thing I know, it is 206 and I sold at 201. So I guess thank you TD on that one. But the high there at normal trading hours was 210, and that would be our first support. Resistance. Mixing up here. The $2 is also resistance, and then the 190 I have it marked as the offering price. So that is very good. Now I just made a video on NNDM. I was talking about the offering price at the 133 level. Unless the company reported bad earnings, they're pushing back TruForma, or just something negative about the company, it's still, I guess, technically in, quotations, it's still technically worth $1.90 at the offering price. So you really can't go wrong with buying it. But with that said, keep in mind, it may have a bad catalyst. TruForma may get pushed back. They may have another offering at the 130s. You never know. So be careful, be cautious, but ZOM is a good trade in my opinion with the TruForma coming out. We'll take a look at the news in a second. A lot of stocks today and over the past month have been having this pattern: a huge push up, couldn't break it or barely broke it, and then a huge dip in this candle right here today. Good volume actually, 150 million. Well, that is good for a dollar company, but I would like more on ZOM just because of the overall, action that it had. We do have earnings coming up 2-25 before market central's time, so hopefully that will be good with the pre-sales of TruForma. Speaking of that, we'll take a look at the news now. I believe at the end of March they will be having it, but an offering, $173.5 million at the 190 price point. About their TruForma, right here, Zomedica. This was huge back in January. Zomedica signs TruForma distribution agreement with Miller Veterinary Supply. So hopefully they have some sales on that, and we can use that for the earning report -2-25. So definitely mark that on your calendar. It's a good stock. The only problem with this, and I tell the people in the Patreon, make sure you join that, is be cautious on the bad news. If TruForma gets pushed back again, I see this going past, or under, I should say, $1.25, maybe even $1 level. And yeah, it's a huge move. That's almost 50% move downward, I believe, if my math is correct. It's just a lot of prices to break, but really we can't. 225, 260, 290, and then the high up there at the 291. Taking a look at the 3-year chart, that 298 is the 3-year high. Must break in a good news. Definitely has to break the 290, otherwise it's going to flush down. Each candle represents a week here, so this week I want to stay above the 206. I think we can, at least the 190. With that earnings coming out, that's going to be on everybody's mind Thursday. Taking a look at, we took the 1 year, guys. I'm losing it here. The 20-year, yeah. So this is a fairly new ticker, only a couple years publicly traded. If TD is not lying to us here, we did a huge, right. If you count this as a gap, but really, obviously it's not because the stock went down for months, March to December of 20 or 19, April of 19, or it looks like. My bad, guys, look confusing the dates here. April of 2020. A huge opportunity to buy. We let you know in the Patreon at the 50-cent level. I'm comfortable with saying that. I could pull up the screenshots, but that's all the way back in December. So I won't bore you with that. But with this, huge good job on the monthly candle. Like I said, I would like it to stay above the 240s in the month, and then maybe in March, definitely wanting to break the $3 level. Let me know if you guys traded it in the comment section down below, and make sure you like, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next one. Join the Patreon, link in the description to choose a video and get daily alerts and watch list. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.